Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to open your Kia Forte backseat. First, you'll want to head to the trunk of your Kia Forte. Look for the two release latches, one on each side, usually near the top of the seat backs. Give each latch a firm pull to disengage the locking mechanism. This action unlocks the rear seat backs, preparing them to fold down. Now, proceed to the rear passenger doors. Once you're at the rear passenger doors, open them wide to gain full access to the back seats. From inside the car, gently push each seat back forward. They should fold down smoothly into the cargo area. Be mindful of the seat belts. Make sure they don't get snagged or caught as you fold the seats. This prevents damage and ensures a flat loading surface. With both seatbacks folded down, you've now significantly expanded your Kia Forte's cargo capacity. Take a moment to ensure both sections are completely flat and securely in place. This creates a seamless, larger opening between the trunk and the passenger cabin. You can now easily load longer items, like skis or lumber, that wouldn't fit in the trunk alone. It's a simple way to boost versatility. When you're ready to restore your back seats, simply reverse the process. From the rear passenger area, lift each seat back firmly upwards. You should hear a distinct click, indicating it has locked securely into its upright position. Double-check that the seat belts are easily accessible and not trapped. A quick tug on the seat back will confirm it's fully latched and safe for passengers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.